Hello children, in this video we will begin with the first chapter of our computer, that is computer architecture. First of all, what do we understand by the term computer architecture? Computer architecture means an overall design of a computer and how its parts work together. So basically in this chapter we will study about the different parts of the computer and about the working of a computer system. So let's begin. Computer. Computer is an electronic device which stores and manipulates data at a high speed and with great accuracy. Basically, computer system can be divided into four types. First is processor, which is also known as CPU, output devices, input devices, and storage devices. So one by one we will cover every topic in detail. Working of the computer. The CPU, which stands for Central Processing Unit, is called the brain of the computer because it controls all the work of the computer. CPU has three parts: memory unit MU, control unit CU, and arithmetic and logic unit ALU. Memory unit is the storing device of the computer. Whatever thing we store in a computer, it gets stored in this memory unit. Second, control unit, it controls all the parts of the computer. All the input and output devices, everything is controlled by this unit. Whereas this arithmetic and logic unit, it performs arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also performs comparing operations like equal to, less than, greater than, etc. Input devices. In your previous classes, you have already studied about input devices. The devices used to feed data or information in the computer are called input devices. We give data or information in high level language through the input units, and it changes this language to the language which computer understands. That language is known as binary language. So here are some examples of input devices like joystick, mouse, mic, camera, touch tablet, flatbed scanner, keyboard, and handheld scanner. Next we will study about output devices. The devices on which processed information is displayed are called output devices. The information which we get through these output devices can be in the form of words, numbers, graph, sounds, etc. Here are some examples of output devices like monitor, printer, speaker, headphones, sound cards, plotter, and projectors. Next, system unit. Most part of the computer are found in a box called system unit. This system unit has the disk drives, central processing unit, that is CPU, and the main memory. System unit operates the other parts of the computer and performs all the calculations. All the input as well as output devices are attached to the system unit. So we can say that this is the main control unit which connects and operates all the other parts. Storage unit. Storage unit is a hardware device designed to store information. There are two types of storage devices used in computer, that is primary storage devices and secondary storage devices. So about these storage devices you will study in detail in your next chapters. So here are some examples like hard disk, RAM, ROM, CD, DVD, floppy, memory card, pen drive, and tape. So children, with this we completed our first chapter. Go through this once again, and in few days I'll provide you the notes. Thank you and have a good day.